This is the orange patchouli soap here, and I'm giving it a lather test. It's been about 6 days. So you can see the nice little bubbles it's making. I'm just gonna lather it together and then kind of rub my hands. It's a very nice lather. Pretty bubbly. So yeah, this is what the orange patchouli soap looks like. It has good lather, good bubbles, it's conditioning. So next I'm going to show you the lavender patchouli soap that I made from, I guess it was a couple weeks ago. And I just had a little tiny bit left to put in the flower mold, so this is what I'm working with. Isn't that pretty? Okay. So then right off the bat with that one, has good bubbles also. I will say, this is a very good bubbly soap. The orange patchouli does feel a little bit more creamy and heavy, like conditioning, and this feels light and just very light, but it definitely has a lot of bubbles. A lot of bubbles also. So, good soap right there. This is more of a thin lather. The lavender patchouli and the orange patchouli is like a creamy, more heavy lather. Almost feels like a lotion soap. Alright, so there you have it for these two. I rinse my hands off and call it good. Well, I'm gonna have to wash them.